Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make structural beams through those grid lines. So first of all, let's pre-select grid A, just click, and then using this one called multi-support beam, click. So you see alignment will be A, support, let's pick a roof, and make sure that it's bottom of slab, and go to standard. In here is at the moment empty. We need to again click to find the right type of beam. So basically, in my case, if you don't have this one pop out, you need to locate it. Click open. It should be, I think our computer lab is that installed by default path. It should be in C, program file, get technology. You just follow through that. Make sure come down to structure steel, and that is a folder called AISCV13 steel sections. You double clicking. There's a one file, catalog file. Choose open, and that should give you those predefined structural beams. The one we're going to use is W. Double click, scroll down, find W 18106. 18106, this one. Okay, double click, and that will bring you the right section. And also you can see this is like infinite long section, and so you can change this one maybe to center of slab, or top of slab. There's offset we can set up as well. At the moment it's clashing. Yeah, set the offset to be not a millimeter, sorry, 0.2 meter. Should be the other direction. Minus. Can say top left or top right. This one, bring it to 0. Okay, so let's basically align to the top. Do something. Center slab, top slab. See, that just to give you a different option to locate this beam to the edge of the roof. Alright, so that's also you can change the structural set point as well. You can do center right, center left. Okay, that's a section. It's all fine. It's all fine. It's beam. Okay, then click OK. So now if you do say pre-select this line, again using beam, the specification should be kept. And in this case, what we need to do is we can do from this beam, change it to plus. Okay, so we got a second, and then let's do the third one. Pre-select this grid using this multiple support beam method. Support will be this roof. And form will be from this. And okay, so that should be just below that. At the moment it's a line, so we'll do, let's say, bottom left, that's a set point. Okay, now it's in position. Good. Click OK. Last one, let's pick this great. Multiple section. Support will be this roof. And this time should be check right. No, will be left. And top of the slab. Okay, form will be from here. And change to plus. Finish to here. Change to minus. And for this one, oh, sorry, made mistake. Okay, made mistake. We do it grid section. Support will be this floor slab. Make it top to slab from this one. Change to plus to this one. Change to minus. Click OK. So we got 4 beams. And now let's just add it. First one from, let's say, from this beam. Should be minus. No, plus. Okay, let's do from this beam to this beam. So this beam, let's make it minus. Click OK. This one has to be changed. So from this one, change to plus. Okay, that is minus. From that to this. No, that's minus, that's good. And this one will change to plus. Okay, meaning this one has to be modified. So this one will from here plus. No, minus. That's done. Okay, so you got all the joints. Like all the corner joints articulated. Okay, so that's the primary beam, and we're gonna use a similar method applied to the intermediate beam as well. Just use different type of beams. Okay, so now this time we do this grid, and using this beam, change the type to which one? W10 by 45. W10 by 45. Double click. Okay. Top of slab, that's fine. Click OK. So that's a beam. Alright, we can make it align to the bottom of the slab. And also this notch joint, you can try out with different notch as well. No, it should be not right. Okay, so that will notch to that beam, and this one we can change this one to notch left. Yes. Okay. So then we can just carry on. If that is the right type, if you pick up another grid, do this one, all those information will be kept, so you don't have to redo them anymore. You can just click OK, and until you finish all the grids. So basically, you finish one direction of the intermediate beam, and we just continue to the another direction. Okay. I will again skip to record the process, which will be. So once you get the first one right, you can carry on. Pick this one, get the beam, click OK. Pick this one, get the beam, click OK. Alright, so now we got all the beams created based on the grid and the roof, and they all parametrically linked. So whenever you change one thing, all the rest will be updated. And you can also turn on this little Z buffer, so they can see a better visual effect without the X-ray seeing all the wireframes. Alright, and now next one we're gonna make columns, again based on the grid. We'll create intersecting point first. This will be fairly easy now. So what we need to do is we need to again come here to have the grid container, click a grid. This time we may use intersection and give a name called grid intersection. Done. Alright, so now if you expand using this one, grid intersection, click. First set of grid will be grid east to west, second will be grid north to south, just click. Then OK. You got all the intersecting points. So if you expand it, you'll see those are the points. So basically the one we're going to select is B5, B5, B8, hold control down, B8, D3, D3, E5, E5, E8, F2, G6, and H4. Yeah. And from there, I'm going to use column 2. This one, click column. Right, so it's like again infinite. We do cellular, make it 0.1 as a radius, maybe a little bit bigger. And we can make bottom the grid on the, where's my, okay, grid level, from level 1 to top, which is the roof slab. It will be bottom of the slab. Okay, click OK. And also the reason why this is not centered is because if you come to this beam, double click this beam, this one should be top center. So now it's being aligned properly. So does this one. Should be top center. Click OK. And also this one, right click central graph, double click, change to top center. Right, So pretty much we have done everything ready for generate other design information, such as door schedule and window schedule. Okay, now I'm going to show you next part how we generate the information from those geometries.